almost make $300,000 per year just from the freelance alone. There's obviously no limit to how much you can. That being said, when you are freelancing, you also have to take care of the sales, of the marketing, of the finance, and all the other aspects of the business. So because you are taking a higher risk and you're doing way more than just designing, you're also being rewarded with the opportunity to make way more money and also freedom, right? You're not dependent on a boss. You can pick your own client. And so there are many different great things or pros about being a freelancer. Again, the downside of that is you have to do all these other things. If you're interested in only doing design, then maybe this is not the right path for you. But if you're willing to take on more responsibility, you're going to be compensated in the ability to have the freedom to do whatever you want, whatever you want, work from it wherever you want, and have no limits on your earnings potential.